Hey guys, welcome back to His Transform. If you're as obsessed with Samsung leaks as I am, you're gonna love this. We don't have to wait months for the big reveal. Leaks are dropping like crazy, giving us the closest, most jaw-dropping look yet at the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This bad boy is shaping up to be Samsung's massive 2026 powerhouse. And get this, it's packing a display tech we've never seen before, exclusive to the Ultra. The curves are making a comeback too. Let's dive right in and break it all down. First off, the design. Oh man, it's got that premium vibe locked in. The corners, they're curved even more than the S25 Ultra, almost like a throwback to the S21 Ultra days. But here's the twist. It's still rocking a totally flat screen. No edge curves this time. Trust me, it's gonna feel insanely comfy in your hand, like holding a cloud that shoots lasers. Samsung's sticking to that sleek, modern look they've nailed over the last couple years, but the camera bump, total game changer. It's pulling inspo straight from the Galaxy Z Fold 7, super clean and integrated. I gotta admit, I dig it big time, but honestly, I'm still team camera island like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. What about you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear if this new style wins you over. Now, why the switch to this camera setup? It's all about going ultra thin. Rumors say the S26 Ultra is smashing records at just 7.9 millimeters thick, thinner than the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it's keeping the same 5,000 milliamp hours battery. Plus, it's dropping weight too, dipping under 210 grams. That's wild. It's like Samsung shrunk it in the wash. Those camera bumps, smart move to balance out the lenses, because we all know they can stick out like sore thumbs on slim phones. They even tweak the edges with a subtle curve to keep everything light and pocket-friendly. These little upgrades, they're gonna make this thing feel like magic in your grip. Flip it over to the front, still that centered punch hole camera, no under-display magic just yet. But the screen, holy smokes, this is where it gets next level. Shout out to Ice Universe for the scoop. Samsung's finally unleashing M14 OLED with COE tech. In plain English, it's brighter, way thinner, and sips power like a pro. Add in a killer anti-reflective coating, and boom, glares history. But wait, there's more. A sneaky AI privacy mode that blacks out the screen if someone's peeking from the side. Imagine that on the S26 Ultra. Total spy-proof vibes. If Samsung nails this, it's going to be the most stunning display we've ever seen on a phone. All right, cameras, let's talk upgrades, because this is where Samsung's coming to play. Compared to the S25 Ultra, we're getting tweaks to 3 sensors for beast mode low-light shots. The ultra-wide lens stays the same, but a bigger aperture means sharper night pics, smoother bokeh, and zero over-sharpening headaches. In video, Samsung gunning straight for Apple's throne. Thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, yep, with ProRes level raw video support, you're getting insane 4K detail and quality. Throw in some AI wizardry, and this could be the video king we've been waiting for. Fingers crossed it delivers a real wow factor. Oh, and chipset heads up, Exynos 2600 is back in the game. It's rumored to crank 12% more power and 25% better efficiency than last gen, all on that cutting-edge 2nm process, the first phone to rock it. It'll power the S26 series in spots like the US, South Korea, and beyond. China might stick with Snapdragon. Details are fuzzy, but hey, it's got me hyped. There you have it, folks, our best peek yet at the Galaxy S26 Ultra, dropping just 3 months before the big January 2026 unveil. This thing is stacked, thinner, lighter, brighter, and ready to crush. What part has you most excited? The design curves, that privacy screen, or the camera glow up? Smash those likes if you're Team Samsung, subscribe for more leaks, and hit the bell so you never miss a drop. Catch you in the next one. Peace.